My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Hello, hello. My name is Mayor Martin. I invented the XpetPee Machine. You see how the tube is clear? Now the Oriental rug is clean and free from urine odor. What's the difference between cleaning and removing the urine odor? Today I have in my warehouse a silk modern rug that it smell bad from 3 dogs that pee constantly under the dining room table. I have to remove the urine odor first, and then during the removal of the urine odor, I'm going to clean the rug. First is the removal of the urine odor, because during the flooding and vacuuming and washing the rug through the fiber, the rug will be clean naturally. However, the main reason the customer asked me to pick up this rug is to remove the urine odor. The rug is brand new, only a year old, but it smells bad from urine odor. So what is the difference between removing urine odor and cleaning the rug from dirt and soil? Many customers refer to the cleaning. Oh, if he's going to clean the rug, he's going to remove also the urine odor. No, the urine odor, it's a completely different department. It's completely different field, because the pee-pee is not on the top of the rug as a dirt. Is in a bacteria that's bound in the middle of the rug, where is the foundation of the rug. And this area have to be washed in a special equipment and cleaning product. It have to be washed with a cleaning product that will penetrate through the rug from the top to the bottom, not from the left to the right. No, from top to the bottom, and remove all the urine crystal that cause the bad odor. They drive the lady crazy. customer that send me Oriental rug from California, from Utah, from all over United States to Florida. Those people that love their Oriental rug, that's belong to their family for generations, and they already got burned by somebody that promised them urine odor removal from the Oriental rug, and the Oriental rug come back to them with a color run or with unpleasant odor. Removing the urine odor must be done through the fiber. Only the XpetPee machine, the PetPeePee cleaning process using the Dead Sea cleaner, guarantee in writing total urine odor removal. And because we don't use any enzyme deodorized soap and all the crap that it's sold in the market, I invented a cleaning product from the Dead Sea. This natural odor-free cleaning product with the XpetPee technology will remove the urine crystal, the soap, the enzyme, the deodorizer that you already apply on the rug at home, or the professional Oriental rug cleaner used already on the rug. So I have to remove all those chemicals and the urine crystal. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense, a cleaning process that rewards me 5-star reviews on Google, and this is what I'm looking to do for you. Thank you very much for watching the PetPeePee. Removing urine odor versus cleaning Oriental rug. What you are looking for. Thank you for watching.